Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajeem. Hello. Hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine, alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you our most stunning, most beautiful and very creative wooden centerpieces, planter decoration ideas for your home decor, for your living room decor, for your table decor. Guys, these are very amazing, very stunning and very pretty collections for you guys. Guys, thank you so much for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are very stunning and very pretty handmade planter decoration ideas for your uh, festive holidays or for your table decorations and so on. You guys also watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these planter wooden centerpieces decoration ideas for table decorations. These are marvelous. These are very welcoming looks for your guest, and it's enhanced your tables. And these are very amazing and very pretty centerpieces or planter centerpieces for your table decorations. I just love it, and I hope so you guys also love these planter decorations. You guys also share your thoughts with me, and you guys also tell me about how much you like this video and which kind of video you want from my channel. Guys, I also upload different kind of planter decoration ideas on my channel. That was amazing. So viewers, go and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. These are very pretty, these are very amazing and very latest centerpieces ideas for your home decor. So guys, you watch different kind of videos on my channel about different planter decoration ideas or wall hanging ideas or landscaping ideas. That was amazing, and these are very amazing and most incredible collections for you guys. So viewers, hope so guys you all are doing well, and hope so guys you like this video, and you guys must appreciate on this video, and you guys subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. And I am very thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are very amazing and these are very beautiful collections for you guys. So guys, hope so viewers, you must subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for more updates. Take care, bye bye, Allah Hafiz guys.